We just run around here. Hey, get on my face. Yep. So I'm doing rest while you're off.
Hey, everybody's best friends now.
Okay, there you go. You go over there. So you guys can find it out. There you go. See how long it lasts before they jump off the carousel. Yesterday was rolling across the shop floor too. He's pissed off, it was his bed. No. I don't know what to do now, they're stuck. Oh well, bedtime for them. Luke's over here working, pretending to work. How many times are you up to now? 5?
We did 2, this is 4.
4th time? That's on the exhaust, the intake for skipping right now. We're doing more even. You got lap evenly, otherwise it might be uneven. Go around the whole valve face. You rotating the valves around too? Don't want to do it just in one spot. So you put lapping column back where it needs to be. And you lift up and down. What are they doing over there? Look at it in the mirror. Where's it at? I need to see the dogs. What are they doing over there?
Barrr!
Time to go spin them around again?
Cow. Is there a cat?
Oh. Now they're on our
Are you
feet.
serious?
Now they're back on our feet again.
Don't you mention the C word.
So they like cats, huh? Like chasing cats. Alright. You done yet? Should've just brought all my valve grinding stuff with me and just did it. If only we knew how bad it was. Alright, we'll be back another hour, I guess. Okay, we're done with this one here for now. So now you see a gray mark all the way around the whole valve. So that's our seat now, debris all the way around the seat. You don't see a bunch of pecker marks in there either. The valve looks pretty even also. So the intake was already good. The exhaust had some pitting in it. So it looks like we got that pretty well cleaned up. Where's your smoothing the stuff out? Here, wipe this on with the, yeah, this one's got some solvent right there. Wipe off this valve, the intake, the exhaust valve, I mean. I want to see the seat. Just wipe it off and then wipe it off with that one. And you can see actually what the seat looks like. It's enough, you didn't need much. I'm not trying to sanitize it, just trying to wipe it. Come on, we're not polishing, just wipe. Okay, I see a mark all the way around, I don't see pits in it anymore. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Wipe that one down. Where's the, that one had the stuff on it. So we did about 5 or 6 on the exhaust and 4 on the intake. And we still got a lot of compound left. You can look. Okay, put it together. Boom. Now you stick up a light and see if any light leaking past. Look from the underside. Underside, not top side. Flip it over. don't you look through the darn port over here with the valve sealing? What are you looking at the top of the head for?
What am I doing?
Light here. Look through here, light comes in from the top. Hold up in the air like this. Open the valve up and you'll see the light. See light? Okay, now is there any light when it's closed?
No.
Spin the valve a little bit. Any light?
Not unless I lift it up.
Okay, good. That's what I want to see. What about the exhaust?
I see no light.
No light? Okay, must be good then.
So we're spinning it. I see nothing.
All right, one down. One down, one to go. Okay, that has to be cleaned really good.
Right.
Get all that laughing compound off of it. I'm gonna lay it over here for now. We'll open up the skeeter farm outside again.
Skeeter farm.
Or maybe we'll let the skeeters out. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do these. They're already lapped. They already got goop on them.
Zigoop.
So pick up your valve. Look how pitted that intake seat is on that one. Big time pits. Got some miles on these heads. Yeah, these are not low mileage heads. They just look good. All right, we're going to be doing these probably another 4 or 5 times again, so we'll be back.